Sunset Shimmer is getting my dark Bowser friends into trouble, and I don't like it. I wish I could get back at her, but how can I do that? Wait. I have an idea. I'm going to throw igneous rocks at Sunset Shimmer here at Be Clean Car Wash. It'll teach her a lesson not to get my dark Bowser friends into trouble. Ha 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 ha.
There. I finished cleaning the front row of my Volkswagen Atlas Cross Sport. Once I clean the back row of my Volkswagen Atlas Cross Sport, I'll be done. Ouch. That really hurt. That wasn't supposed to happen. Where did all these igneous rocks come from?
I threw them at you, Sunset Shimmer. I did it because you kept getting my dark Bowser friends into trouble.
Hey, what's going on out here? What seems to be the problem?
Oh no. I think I know who said that.
All right. Why am I seeing igneous rocks outside Be Clean Car Wash? And with Sunset Shimmer on the ground?
Well, Pink Toad. I threw igneous rocks at Sunset Shimmer here at Be Clean Car Wash. The reason is because she kept getting my dark Bowser friends into trouble.
What? Oh my god. Dark Lava Bowser? I can't believe you threw igneous rocks at Sunset Shimmer here at Be Clean Car Wash. Now she's injured and she has to go to the hospital thanks to you. That's it. Get out of this car wash and go home right now while I call your parents about this.
No 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 no.
Dark Lava Bowser, Dark Lava Bowser, Dark Lava Bowser, Dark Lava Bowser, Dark Lava Bowser. Get over here right now.
Dark Lava Bowser. We just heard that you threw igneous rocks at Sunset Shimmer at Be Clean Car Wash. Why would you do that?
Well, Mom, Dad, and Lava Bowser Jr. Sunset Shimmer kept getting my dark Bowser friends into trouble.
That's just a dumb excuse to throw igneous rocks at Sunset Shimmer at Be Clean Car Wash. Now Sunset Shimmer is injured and she has to go to the hospital thanks to you.
That's it, young man. You are granted for a month. Go to your room right now.